Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be reviewing this mini polygel kit by MODELONES. It includes base and top coat, a little polygel brush, slip solution, mini nail file, and it also includes dual forms, which I do not have, so I am so sorry. And let's go ahead and do some swatching for you guys real quick. So here we can see the colors side by side. So yeah, the bottles are very small, so that's just a negative thing right now that I have to say about it. And that's pretty much all. Let me know which color is your favorite down below in the comment section. Using the mini hand file provided, I'm going to go ahead and use it to remove any shine from my natural nail. And I just want to let you guys know that I am going to go ahead and be using my non-dominant hand. So please bear with me because I am going to struggle very bad in this video, just so you guys know. Okay, so now using this glue from Dollar Tree, I'm going to go ahead and just place the tips over my natural nail. And we're going to pinch the sides just because we don't want any lifting or anything like that to occur. And I also do want to say that I am not a fan of tips, just for the sake of this video. I decided to use tips just because, I don't know, I just decided to use tips apparently. Now with the hand file, I'm going to go ahead and just file the surface of the nail tip, and I'm going to try blending it to my natural nail and just shaping the nail tips. So here's how they look now. Now we're going to go ahead and be using these two colors, and I'm going to grab my MODELONES Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I'm going to add 2 coats to my natural nail. Grabbing the MODELONES primer, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 coats as well to my natural nail. Then we're going to go ahead and grab this MODELONES base coat, and we're going to apply a very good amount onto our natural nail. We're going to go ahead and cure that, and this is the polygel that I'm going to be using, which is soft pink. And we're going to place that all over the nail, and here I'm pretty much just trying to build the nail. And like I said, I am going to struggle. And for the thumb, I struggled with the most, so I do just want to say that with the thumb, it was just, I couldn't really get to pretty much perfect it. So I tried my best, just so you guys know. So I went ahead and added a second coat of polygel off camera, and that's what I pretty much did there. And then I went ahead and cured it. And now I just want to go ahead and talk to you guys more about this polygel, my thoughts about it and everything. Here I am starting on my index finger, just so you guys know I did prep it, but I just cut it off. Pretty much I do think this polygel is not too good, but it's not the best either that I've tried. It is workable. One thing I am going to go ahead and tell you guys is to add very little amount of slip solution or very little amount of alcohol, just because you guys can see right away. It's like, I don't know if you guys have ever tried the Candy Laffy Taffy, but it's a very stretchy. This is the type of consistency that this polygel has. But like I said, it is workable. It is okay to use. It's not that bad. After I finished my 3 fingers, I went ahead and did my last 2, which is my pinky and my ring finger. And I did not struggle with that. I got it less than a minute. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that definitely it is workable. I don't know if it was a polygel myself, or it maybe was just because I was using my non-dominant hand. Just so you guys know. I've tried it before on my I've done it with my dominant hand, and obviously it has worked better. So I feel like mainly it was just me working with my non-dominant hand that made me pretty much struggle. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. Hopefully you guys, are staying safe as well. And you're just going to go ahead and continue watching the video until I finish application. Then we're going to go ahead and start by decorating the nails and all of that good stuff. So yeah, just continue watching if you guys want to. If you don't, it's okay. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a minute. Encapsulation for this nail. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these foils and these white butterflies. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in them. So I'm pretty much going to start by placing some white butterflies onto the light apricot nail, which is this one right here. And I did not cure the polygel yet. It is still wet. It's still there. And we're just going to go ahead and add that all over the nail. Then I'm going to grab just any old brush I pretty much have lying around, and I'm going to just use it to add the foil onto there. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate that with the same color. Few hours, we are finally done, and this is how the application looks. It is not the best. I'm not proud of this set, like I said, but we're gonna go ahead and continue. So using my lint-free wipe, I'm gonna go ahead and just add alcohol, and I'm gonna remove that ugly tack layer. And yeah, that's all we're doing pretty much here. After that, we're gonna go ahead and just file the nails, perfect the shape, remove any bulk or anything like that, and that's all we're just gonna go ahead and do. After that, then we're gonna go ahead and add anything else, such as glitter, rhinestones, anything like that. So here's how they look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove any dust. We're gonna grab alcohol, a lint-free wipe, and we're just gonna wipe away any dust we have, just so it doesn't interfere when we're adding top coat. Using my XXC top coat, I'm gonna place it all over my thumb, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure that alone. After that, we're gonna go ahead and place it on the rest of the fingers. And here you guys can see how pretty this one actually came out. This was actually my only favorite one that I absolutely was in love with. The rest not so much. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and cure that under a lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and next I'm gonna go ahead and be using this white glitter to the sugar now. I'm gonna be using this UV glue top coat, and we're just gonna start by placing some top coat on top of the nail. We're not gonna cure this at all. Make sure you do not cure it absolutely at all. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab this UV glue, and we're just gonna add it on top of there, just like so. After this, we're gonna grab a bowl, pretty much just like a little container that I have, just so I can put my glitter in there, and then I can pour it back into my small container. And I'm just put my finger under there, and we're just gonna go ahead and spread the glitter on top of our nail, just like so. After this, we're gonna go ahead and cure it under our lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. So once we finish curing, grab any single old brush you have lying around, and you want to go ahead and pretty much remove any of the excess glitter. And this should definitely make the nail look absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that, it looks very, very pretty. After that, I'm going to grab this cuticle pen and I'm going to spread all over my cuticle areas on all my fingers. After that, we should be good to go. And so yeah, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, leave me a comment below if you guys enjoyed this nail set, because I did not. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay safe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.